Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys the home remedy I used to whiten my teeth. So as you can see, the first ingredient is lemon, and I'm basically showing you the sauce I'll be mixing all the ingredients in. Then I'm going to use an organic ginger. Then I'm going to this is the grater I'm going to use to grate my ginger, and my baking soda, and also the toothpaste I'm using, and I'm using a fresh new toothbrush. So now I'm slicing the lemon just to get the juice from it. I'm not going to be using too much juice, but I think I actually added way too much juice than what I need for this particular portion of the remedy I'm trying to make. So whenever you are trying to do your own, don't use too much juice, don't use too much lemon juice. So I'll definitely be using the remaining juice later for tomorrow. So now I'm just peeling my ginger, my organic ginger. I'm going to be peeling my ginger now, and I'll be grating it into the lemon juice I have down. I'm not going to be using too much, I just need little quantity for the portion I'm making. I'm making this portion for just today. Now I'm adding my baking soda. I'm adding just this quantity, just really small, quarter of a teaspoon. Then I'm using my Oral-B toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste. The channel I saw, the lady used Colgate, but I'm using Oral because that's what I have available to me now. Then I'm mixing it. I'm mixing the third portion. I'm mixing the ingredients together with my toothbrush. I got this remedy off YouTube from a lady's channel called Abby's Remedy, and I really like her channel. Well, you guys should check it out. So it's time for me to apply the remedy on my teeth, and I was a little too excited to apply this remedy. I don't know why. I was just shining my teeth throughout this video. But anyway, so it's time for me to apply the remedy. You guys can definitely see how my teeth looks like before applying the remedy, and you guys will definitely see what it will look like after applying. I don't want to say too much, so I don't want it to be like I'm capping or I'm sugarcoating it. So I'll just let you guys see it for yourself, and you be the judge of it. But at the same time, don't mind my teeth. I know my teeth kind of looks a little bit funny, but don't look at that. Just look at the remedy and how it will help you whiten your teeth as well. So yeah. So I'm done brushing my teeth now. I'm basically just showing you what my teeth is looking like. I really don't want to say too much because what did they say? I don't know how they say it, but you can obviously see it. The proof is in the pudding. So yeah, that is it, guys. I'm just showing you my bonnet. I sell bonnet, and I also make press-on nails. In case you're interested in buying it, just DM me on my Instagram account. I'll put the link in my description box below. So just DM me. I'm a DM away to get your bonnet and also get your press-on nails. So yeah, you guys should definitely try this remedy because it's lit. Okay, I was so excited filming this video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and make sure to leave a comment below. And as you already know, peace, love, stay happy. Bye guys, love you.